Hey y'all, it's your girl Raylyn Chanel and I'm here with another video. Today is gonna be a little bit different. I already have my makeup and my hair done. I wanted to come at you guys with some natural sunlight. I'm actually supposed to be napping right now, but I really wanted to get this video done because I got a new iPhone and I wanted to do an unboxing so that I could kind of show you guys what the new iPhone looks like. And yeah, so I have T-Mobile, so I was able to get T-Mobile's like bundle deal where they gave me like a case, screen protector. I ended up getting a pop socket as well, and I also was able to get some new AirPod Pros. So I'm gonna unbox all of that with you guys on this video, but before we get into it, I want you guys to go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, and then of course subscribe so that you guys can get more future videos. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and get started. So it came in a box like this. Actually it came with the accessories as well, which came in a bigger box, which was this. All of this came with the accessories, and then of course this came with just the phone. So I already opened it, so I'm just gonna slide it out. And I ended up getting the gold of the iPhone 11. Let me see what the proper, okay, the iPhone 11 Pro Max. So this is the gold iPhone 11 Pro Max, and it has the 3 cameras on it. This is a 256 gig, but yeah, so it comes in this nice box, and of course it has the easy peel, so we're gonna go ahead and do that. I love opening up like the new iPhones because they have such like a good like packaging, you know. So, and I always keep the boxes. This box is always like a lifesaver to just keep your stuff in. Oh my goodness. Oh, it's so pretty, guys. Look at that. So I got the gold one. So it has the full screen, and then it has like all the gold sides onto it. It's super pretty. I'm trying to be careful not to drop it. So so of course it has the little design in California. This has like the different instructions in it, you guys already know. So has the hello instructions, and then it has a little key for you to pop out your SIM card, and then just the hazardous and the stickers. So that's what came in the little pamphlet thing. Okay, so it actually comes with headphones. I forgot they come with headphones. So I don't know, I might like give these to my son or something, or just keep them on to the side. And then of course a new charging cable. I already have like 3 charging cables, so this is great to have extra. And then this is the new like adapter that it comes with. It's so cool. Like you can see it's a different like shape, so it must be pretty powerful compared to like the regular size, like, you know, square shape one. So that's basically everything that was inside, the little accessories and everything, with the little pamphlet of course. So now that I got my iPhone, I'm about to turn it on. So I'm gonna press the power button and hold that down so it can boot on. There it goes. And of course it's gonna take us to the hello screen, and we're gonna have to set it up. So I'm gonna go ahead and set that up. But in the meantime, so we have the other accessories. So I have the tempered glass screen protector, and this one is like you could put it on yourself. And then I have a clear screen protector. This is a clear case that I like to have a clear case usually, just because I like to be able to see my phone, because it's a certain color for a reason, you know, like I don't know, I like to see how it looks. And then I have my pop socket but I think it's in the other room, so it's just black, but I just wanted something simple because, you know, like when I was ordering it online or on the phone, and so when I was ordering it on the phone, the lady was trying to describe to me the different ones that they had, but I was like, let me just do simple and just get the black one. So I got the black pop socket. And then of course I got the AirPod Pros. So these ones are a lot better than the original ones. The case is a little bit different, and it has a better like sound system for it. These are my old ones. These are my old AirPod Pros, but the left side is like short circuited, so it's like I have to adjust it to kind of like here, so they still kind of work but not really. So we're gonna go ahead and open the AirPod Pros, and again it has the nice little easy opening, and I love these boxes because the way that they open, it's like this nice kind of like airtight box. Like I keep all my Apple boxes. So again, it comes with a little pamphlet. This pamphlet is, I think these are just directions on how to attach your AirPod Pro to like your different devices if you have like a iPad or iPhone or whatever. Pretty self-explanatory. I mean, all you do is press the Bluetooth and then find the name of it, right? So it shouldn't be that hard. But so there's the little pamphlets, and then here's the inside. So this is what the Pro looks like, the little egg. So as you guys can see, it's more like horizontal, and then you can see it's like more wider than the original ones. You could definitely tell the difference, but I'm really excited about the new ones.
Mom, where's my iPad charger?
I don't know, Malachi. Okay, so these are supposed to be like really good sound cancellation, and then it's supposed to have like this kind of like sound feedback where you can actually like hear the outside of whatever you're listening to. So like since it's ear counseling or sound counseling, you can actually like amplify what's outside of the AirPods, which I think is pretty cool. I haven't used that feature yet, but I keep like reading or looking at different reviews and stuff, and that's what people have been saying, that that's actually a really cool feature, and I agree. I think that that is a really cool feature, so I'm excited to try that out. Let's see if there's anything else in the box. So I took the little holder of the AirPod case off, and it looks like, okay, so these are like the different sizes that you could put in, just to make sure that you have the right size for your ear. And then of course another charger, and that's pretty much it that's in the box. So I'm really excited about my new phone. I'm excited about the AirPods and everything. And then of course, like I said, I got my new car too, so it's just kind of like nice being able to kind of treat myself and you know, rewarding myself with like little things like a new phone and stuff. The car was a necessity because my other car died. I'm gonna actually do a car tour probably in my next few videos. That's gonna be just showing you guys what my new car looks like and what the inside looks like and different features of the car. I wanted to kind of ride it for a little bit longer just so I could kind of know like better how to give you guys a tour, like if I notice anything that I might have not noticed when I first bought it. But we'll definitely be doing a video for that, so make sure you guys subscribe. Again, you guys, I just wanted to do a little quick unboxing. Of course, I'm wearing my Petals Rosé Luxury lashes. These are my new lashes in my feline collection, which is called Catwalk. Super cute, soft, subtle lashes. And of course, I'm wearing my Petals Rosé Luxury bundles and my HD hair frontal. So yeah, again, if you guys do want to shop with me, you guys can with the link that'll be below in the description box. But yeah, I just wanted to kind of get a little used to talking to you guys, you know, maybe even vlogging. I don't know, I really want to just be more in front of the camera and stuff, but I wanted to show you guys the new iPhone. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and make sure you're following me on my social medias as well. You guys can find that all linked at the bottom of the description box. All right, y'all, I'll see you later.